Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to create or make zip file on Android without installing any app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure you search for your file manager. So I'm going to click on here and type in file. So I'm going to simply make use of this one right here, files, click on that. And it's going to open up like so. I'm going to simply head over to my images. You can zip any files right here. It can be images, audios, videos, or documents, anything. But in this video, I'm going to go to my images right here. So this particular 4 images right here, I'm going to zip them like this, 2, 3, 4. Now, how do we zip them to a zip file? So I'm going to click and push down, select them all. Having selected them all, next thing I'm going to do is to click on these 3 from the top. Click on this 3 stroke right here, and this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to click on compress. And you have it right here. What you need to do next is to enter the zip file name. So I'm going to enter it as photo. I'm going to enter a name, photo album. Then I'll simply click on compress right here. Now compressing for items. Just like what you see right here. After a successful compress, let's see how we can find the zip file. And for you to find your zip file, exit from where you compress to zip file. Now we click on see all, you can see the zip file you just created right here. It's that simple. So this is how to make zip file in your Android phone without installing any app. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.